Hi guys, this is Manish, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the latest feature which I've gained in the Google Maps. Now we're using the Google Maps just for the daily transport, to know about the traffic, to know about the route. But if you want to know about the another planets, you can still use the Google Maps, and the Google Maps have just came a hyperlapse function which you can use, and it feels like that you are traveling through a space through a hyperlapse. It's a very good function which they introduced right now into the Google web version of the maps. It's not been available into the mobile, but if you want to use it in the mobile, you need to request the desktop site for the Google Maps version. So to demonstrate more about this Google Maps function, let me take you to my computer screen. So to enjoy the hyperlapse on the Google Maps right now onto your desktop, just open your favorite browser, and then from the browser just go to maps.google.com and press enter. Just remember, this hyperlapse version is only available for the web version. So when if you're opening up in your mobile browser, you need to press request desktop site. After pressing it, you need to select this globe sign over here in our globe view and just zoom out as maximum as you can. So once you enter the globe view, you need to press the satellite version. And once you press the satellite version, you can now see that you can press minus more. So just zoom out more. You can see our beautiful earth over here, that half it is now covered with darkness and half it is covered with the sunlight. Now on the left hand side, you're able to see the different planets. Let's decide to go to Mars. And as soon as I press the Mars, you can see the hyperlapse version. Wow, we are on now Mars. You can just rotate it, see it. Even if you want to just land on the Mars, you can do that with the help of the Google Maps. Even you can see the holes over here, you can see the craters over there, and the various information which is gathered by the various photographs is already being combined into the Google Maps. So now you can use the Google Maps not just for the road purposes, even now you can use it to visit different planets just in the web version. Now let's go to International Space Station, and wow, we are now into the International Space Station. You can just hover and just rotate it from left to right or right to left. Even it will show the information, like click to enter node 3, and now we into enter node 3. Now we can just press it and can just zoom in to see the various information. It can be very beneficial to know the various information about the study of the space and can develop an interest into the child. So let's zoom out again, and so again if you want to go to Mercury, you can simply do that, and again the hyperlapse version will on. It will just like a sci-fi movie and can zoom in and can visit any portion of the Mercury. You can see the impact over here as well. So this is a great new version which has been launched by the Google Maps. You can definitely take an advantage of it and can generate the interest in your child about the universe. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish and I'll see you all in my next video.